Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and today is Sunday. So we are going to start current affairs of month August. So let's get started. First August Muslim Women's Right Day in India. 1st August World Sanskrit Day 2020. 3rd August Hiroshima Day 2020. 6th August and World Breastfeeding Week 2020. 1 to 7 August. The theme of the World Breastfeeding Week 2020 is Support Breastfeeding for a Healthier Planet. Who died this month? Malayalam actor Anil Mulari passed away. Folk musician and Padma Shri awardee Sonam Tejasri Lepcha passes away. Former Taiwanese President Lee Teng-hui passed away. Rajya Sabha MP and former MP-SP leader Amar Singh passes away. Celebrated Urdu writer and translator Nusrat Zahir passes away. Uttar Pradesh Cabinet Minister Kamal Rani passed away. And the Nobel Peace Prize winner and prominent Northern Ireland politician John Hume passed away. Former Maharashtra CM Shivaji Rao Patil Lilangekar passed away in Pune. And the co-creator of the computer mouse William Inglis passed away. The first question is, who has been appointed as the private secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Hardik Satish Chandra Shah. Defence Institute of Advanced Technology (DIET) Pune has developed which medical bed isolation system to combat COVID-19? Ashray. Thudi Yuruli Pada Hill, which has been given the status of biodiversity heritage site, is located in which state? Kerala. Which digital wallet company has Mpay.me UPI link service that allows user to send and receive money from any UPI payment app? Mobikwik. The first government-run interstate chopper service was flagged off from which state? Uttarakhand. Who has been awarded with the Lifetime Excellence National Award given by Ministry of Earth Sciences? Ashok Sahni. As per National Education Policy 2020, 10+2 structure of school curricula is to be replaced by which curriculum structure? 5+3+3 4. GER, gross enrollment ratio in higher education to be raised to 50% by 2035. 3.5 crore seats to be added in higher education. New policy aims for universalization of education from preschool to secondary level with 100% of GER in school education by 2030. A new National Assessment Center Parak Performance Assessment Review and Analysis of Knowledge for Holistic Development will be set up as a standard setting body, teaching up to at least grade 5 to be in mother language, mother tongue or regional language. Sanskrit to be offered at all school levels and higher education as option including in 3 language formula. MPhil courses to be discontinued under the new policy. All higher education institutions except legal and medical colleges will be governed by a single regulator. Public investment in the education sector to reach 6% of GDP at the earliest. Jean Linguin has been elected as the president of which international financial institution? Is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. Who is the author of the book Green Lights? Matthew McConaughey. Which state has taken up a new approach of aerial seeding to plant seeds across Aravalli Hills? Haryana. What is the name of India's first solar-powered ferry which has won the prestigious Gustave Trouve Award for excellence in electric boats and boating? Aditya. Great Eastern Shipping Company Limited has appointed whom as an additional and independent director for a term of 5 years? Urjit Patel. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports has constituted a selection committee for National Sports Award 2020 under whose chairmanship Mukundakam Sarma. Which state has launched the Agni Shama Seva online portal for issuance of fire safety certificates to different categories of building through online mode? Odisha. Which division of Central Railway has designed a health assistance robot Ratchak who can remotely communicate between doctor and patient? Mumbai. Hamed Bayayoko has been named as the Prime Minister of which country? Ivory Coast. The Ministry of Housing and Urban has additionally selected which two cities to develop them as smart cities? Leh and Kargil. Which has become the first central armed police force to receive supplies from the Khadi and Village Industries Commission? Indo-Tibetan Border Police. Which state has launched a public awareness campaign called Ek Mask Anek Zindagi? Madhya Pradesh. Which bank has announced the launch of 2-month-long campaign called Kona Kona Umeed? Kotak Mahindra Bank. Who has won the Prem Bhatia Award for political reporting for his work on issues related to the COVID-19 pandemic? Dipankar Ghosh. Name the cricketer who has been made a member of House of Lords of the British Parliament? Jan Botham. Barak nuclear plant which is in the news recently is located in which country? UAE. Samrat program which has supported over 6 lakh artisan weavers and craftsmen across India is started by which company? Flipkart. Which country has recently completed its Beidou navigation satellite system constellation? Is China. Which of the following ministries organizes the Smart India Hackathon? Ministry of Human Resources Development. Which country has decided to mint a coin to honor Mahatma Gandhi? United States. Road, Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari has inaugurated the upstream carriageway of Mahatma Gandhi Bridge built over which river in Bihar? Ganga. Which bank will continue 70% of the total amount in the implementation of Maharashtra Agri-Business Network Magnet project? Asian Development Bank. Which state has launched an innovative virtual cybercrime awareness program in E-Raksha Bandhan? Andhra Pradesh. Who is the author of Siyasat Mein Sadasyata? Vijay Kumar Chaudhary. Mohammad Irfan Ali has become the new president of which country? Guyana. Which state celebrates Adi Perakku festival? Tamil Nadu. Which will be a single window nodal agency for enabling and regulating space activities and use of ISRO facilities by the private sector in space? Bharat Air Fiber Services is an initiative of which telecom company? BSNL. The International Financial Services Centers Authority has set up a panel under whose chairmanship to develop international retail business in IFSC. Which IIT institution has been conferred the Gandhian Young Technological Innovation Award 2020 for developing a mechanism for generating electricity from wet clothes? IIT Kharagpur. The IT company has started a coronavirus screening service mHealthy Tech Mahindra. Which railway zone has started the first ever Vyapar Mela Mala Express train? Northern Railway. India's first snow leopard conservation center will be opened in which city? Uttarakasi. Which state has announced the iMask mobile COVID-19 testing center in containment zone? Telangana. The Southwestern Railway has commissioned the Lachang Hodki section of the bridge. The bridge is built on which river? Bhima. Who is going to be the next managing director and chief executive officer of HDFC Bank? Sridhar Jagdishan. Ministry of Defence has formulated a draft Defence Production and Export Promotion Policy 2020 in which it aims at doubling the current domestic procurement of rupees 1,40,000 crore by which year? 2025. Tejawal Golf Course was recently inaugurated in which state? Mizoram. Under the Indira Rasoi Yojana, which will be started by the Rajasthan government, the needy and the poor will get healthy and nutritious food at rupees 8 per plate. The foundation stone of Indian Institution of Management, Sirmaur or IIM Sirmaur, has been laid down in which state by the Union Education Minister, Himachal Pradesh. Who is the author of the book Videsh Code to Win? Nirupama Yadav. Who is the chairman of the high level group on agriculture exports set up by the 15th Finance Commission? Sanjeev Puri. Businesses with turnover above dash crore mandated to submit e-invoicing, rupees 500 crore. Which called out of the next phase of its consumer marketing campaign in India? More Together is Facebook. What is the name of the Incubator Capability Enhancement Program launched by the Atal Innovation Mission? AIM iCrest. Which company has announced a collaboration with the Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore to study 5G and emerging technologies? Nokia. Who has been appointed as a new Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir? Manoj Sinha. Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu has launched which mobile app to provide online education? eGyan Mitra. Which sports organization has started the voluntary disclosure scheme for players? Board of Control for Cricket in India. Which architecture style will be followed in building Ayodhya Ram Temple? Nagara architecture. Which state has launched Shahid Mahendra Karma Tedupatta Sangharak Samajik Suraksha Yojana? Chhattisgarh. Which among the following has received a regulatory approval to set up the country's third power exchange platform from CERC is PTC India? Which state has launched the country's only ICMR approved mobile RT-PCR lab which is capable of conducting 9,000 tests per month? Is Karnataka. And the last question is, on which state Government of India revoked special status to Jammu and Kashmir by modifying Article 370 to the Constitution is August 5, 2019. Thank you.